School. Love it or hate it, we all have to go through it. Or if you're unlucky like me, you're still going through it. But there's one thing I'm sure we can all relate to. Those teachers. The teachers that you're just so annoyed by, or you just want to skip for the day. And that teacher for me is, let's call Miss Krabby. Now, a short disclaimer. This video was partly inspired by my friend Wolfie. I'll have her link to her video in the description below. And this video in no way, shape, or form is to bash Miss Krabby. And please do not send any hate to her. This video is simply a way for me to vent feelings. And another thing that I have to explain, I don't want this to be a black screen, so you get to watch me play Lava Boy and Water Girl in the background. So, yeah. But now on with the video. Now, you may be wondering, Troy, who is this Miss Krabby you speak of? Well, dear viewer, this teacher is one of my numerous science teachers. Now, one of the many reasons why I don't like Miss Krabby is because she, well, targets me. And what I mean by that is no matter what time, day, or year, she will get mad at me for something stupid, like coughing. Yeah, that really happened, by the way. Speaking of which, let me elaborate on that. So, the day was like any other, like just a normal, boring school day. But my next class was, you guessed it, Miss Krabby's class. Oh boy, here we go. Buckle up, folks, because we're on one roller coaster of a lifetime. I get into her class and 5 minutes pass, nothing happened. 10 minutes, nothing still hasn't happened. An hour, nothing. An hour 40, nothing. Now this was a little peculiar for me because by 5 minutes in her class, I've already been moved or been yelled at. Now being the stupid kid I am, I thought, I guess today's gonna be a normal... Oh no. And boom! Just like that, Miss Krabby was like one of those anime characters. Trey! How dare you! You coughed! Like a normal sick kid would! Let me see your work right now, this instant! So, I did as she said and handed her my work. How dare you, Trey, not write down the extra stuff that was pointless and which I took no time for you to write down and copy? She said the 4 words every 7th grader hates to hear. I'm calling your parents. Wait, what? I'm confused. I coughed, and you're calling my parents. Correct me if I'm wrong, but coughing isn't a death sentence. It's normal. It's something that you, me, everyone does. Freaking everyone. Like, I mean, come on. And I'm sure this has not happened, but coughing happens. Do you know what I mean? Just it's normal. It's normal, my dude. And I'm sorry if I'm getting mad, but let me put this into perspective. There were kids talking back to her. What did she do? Nothing! Nothing at all! But me coughing was just a little too far. It pushed her right over the edge. But I digress. And like you thought, I got grounded because the teacher that went to college to get a PhD to teach kids called my parents and lied and said, the reason why I'm calling is because your student was not doing their work. Not because I coughed. I'm really done with this teacher in the school, man. Now that you've heard one of the numerous of the stupidest stories of why I got in trouble in Miss Krabby's class, now it's in your hands. I've told you the story, now it's your turn to give me your thoughts on what the heck just happened. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe for more stupid content like this. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Peace out.